Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create an export invoice. Sales invoice for goods and services that are exported to foreign customers. First, the export invoices are created in foreign currency. Then, these invoices are converted to Indian currency invoice. We can select with or without payment of tax while converting according to the customer. How to create a new export invoice. To begin, head to Export Invoice under the Sales tab. Now click on New Export. Enter the customer name. Choose cash or credit. To add the item, select Add Item. Enter the necessary details, including item name and quantity. Click on Add Item. Now to save the invoice, click on Save. Your export invoice is now created. How to edit an export invoice. Go to Export Invoice. Choose the export invoice that you want to edit. Click on Edit icon. Edit the required details. Now to save the export invoice, click on Save. How to print an export invoice. Now to print an export invoice, go to Export Invoice and choose the export invoice that you want to print. Click on Print icon. Choose your printer and click on Print. How to convert to invoice. Now to convert the export invoice, go to Export Invoice and choose the invoice that you want to convert. Click on Convert icon. Enter the necessary details, including invoice date and currency rate. Now, click on Convert, and you are done. How to view converted invoice. To view the converted invoice, go to Invoice under the Sales tab. Thank you for watching.